Hello learners, welcome back to next program on Python. Today we are going to write a Python program to check whether three given numbers can form the sides of a triangle or not. So let's start with taking the input from the user. Let's start creating variable e, int of input, enter the first side of a triangle. I'll copy paste this for second and third side. Here I'll consider this as B, the third as C. Enter the second side and third side. Now we have taken inputs from user. Now let's understand how we can check the condition. For checking the condition, I'm going to make use of the condition. So first I'll check whether A plus B, any two sides of a triangle, if it is less than equal to my third side. If so, or if I'll consider next B plus C is less than equal to A, this will be my second condition, or I'll check with A plus C. If A plus C is less than equal to B, if any of the condition is true, then it is going to form a side of a, it is not going to form a side of a triangle. So if it is less than any of the combinations, here I'm going to print it cannot form the triangle, else print it can form the triangle. Now let's check and execute. Okay, so first side of a triangle I'm taking as 2, 3 and 4. Now here if you see it can form a triangle. We are saying A plus B. Now if I talk about A first condition, so or is nothing but any of the condition is true, it is going to print that it is not going to form a triangle. So in our case, if I try A plus B, that is 5. 5 is less than equal to 4. No, condition is false. Okay, here it is going to check for 3 plus 4. If it is less than equal to A, so any of the condition here, it is not true. That's why it has been printed the else part. I hope you have understood the program. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.